The just rejoice and exalt before God. They are glad and rejoice. Sing to God, chant praise to His name, whose name is the Lord. God, in your goodness, you have made a home for the poor, the Father of orphans and the defender of widows is God in His holy dwelling. God gives a home to the forsaken. He leads forth prisoners to prosperity. God, in your goodness, you have made a home for the poor. A bountiful rain you shower down, O God, upon your inheritance. You restore the land when it languished. Your flock settled in it. In your goodness, O God, you provided it for